Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy Research Methodology. Many people, many students are expecting important questions. Today I am with that question, prepared with lots of difficulty because research methodology is a lengthy and a vast subject. So, but anyway, I have taken important questions which are important and useful. And do you know that I have prepared already research methodology one playlist also? Few topics already covered, rest of the topics I will plan. Okay, now what I have covered while explaining the important questions only I tell you. Let's get into the important questions. First unit, only two questions are given to you. The first one is define research. What is research? Steps of research, types of research, and ethics in research. While doing research, what are the ethics? One question. Second one is what is variable and types of variable. Only two questions, theory only. Okay, now coming to second unit, there are total 5 questions I have prepared. This is also theory. First question is types of sampling methods and application of sampling, and it's related to the sampling. Second one, methods of collecting primary data and also differences between primary data and secondary data. Distinguish, or what are the differences between primary data and secondary data? Very important topic this is. How do you collect the data? Data is divided into two parts, primary data, secondary data. How do you collect primary data? How do you collect secondary data? If you prepare the entire topic, you may expect any question. And also distinguish between primary data and secondary data. Third one, define questionnaire. Research methodology, questionnaire, preparing questionnaire is very important. This question or this topic, don't leave it. Define questionnaire, types of questions, guidelines to prepare the proper questionnaire, and precautions. What are the precautions to be taken while preparing a questionnaire? Entire topic you need to be thorough. Next one, what is research problem? Our problem is research. R means research only. Okay, what is research problem? Various conditions involved in research problem. Research problem is very important. And the fifth one, define research design. This topic also important. Define research design, components, types, characteristics of a good research design. Entire topic you can prepare. Total 5 questions. Now coming to third unit. Third unit, I have given only 3 questions. First one is define tabulation. How do you prepare tables? Tabulation. General rules, parts of table, and classification. Important this one. Second one, define small sample tests. Sample test we do na. So define small sample test and T distribution, its properties and application of T distribution. T distribution I did not teach. This I have to plan. Even tabulation also I didn't. I'll plan. Rest of these topics are already covered. First unit, second unit in research methodology playlist. Okay. This I need to plan. Even third question also means entire unit I did not cover. I'll plan it. Now third question is explain paid t-test and also 1, 2, 3 dimensional diagrams. One dimensional diagram, 2 dimensional diagram, 3 dimensional diagram. Okay, this. And apart from these 3 theory questions, you can expect practicals. One is t-test and 1, 2, 3 dimensional diagrams. So diagrams you may expect on t-test. These 2 are important practical point of view. Theory, 3 questions are given. Now let's enter into the fourth unit. Fourth unit is a little bit vast, but statistics 2 syllabus is also included in this, so it's very easy. Now I have prepared total 6 questions, and first one is what is ANOVA? Assumptions, applications, one way and two way of ANOVA. ANOVA table we prepare now. ANOVA table, very important topic. ANOVA, you may expect theory or practical. Okay. And second one, define exploratory factory analysis and its objectives. Third one, cluster analysis, features and methods. Fourth one, briefly explain about chi-square distribution. Chi-square distribution, this is also theory and practical point of view important. You may expect theory or practical also. These 4 I did not cover in this playlist. I have to plan. Okay. Next one, define regression and explain its utility. And sixth one, what is Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation and its properties, merits and demerits of rank correlation. These two questions already covered in our playlist. Okay. And practicals, you can expect Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation, rank correlation also you can expect, and regression equations, x on y, y on x. Entire this line I have covered practicals in the same playlist, research methodology. Okay. And chi-square, ANOVA, test, distribution. These two are also important, but I haven't covered. I'll plan it. Purely mathematics. I just care, but anyway, I'll learn for you all. Chi-square and ANOVA test distribution. Okay. So this is about the fourth unit. Now coming to the fifth unit. Fifth unit is 80% I have covered fifth unit. See, what are the components of time series and utility? Time series, about this theory you have to write. And what do you understand by index numbers, characteristics and uses? Index numbers, even classification also you have to learn. I didn't write classification of index numbers. Okay. What do you understand by index numbers, classification, characteristics, uses? Third one, explain the various methods of constructing index numbers. This one we got it, I thought of writing here, but anyway separate question is given to you. Explain the various methods of constructing index methods. Construction of index method, two methods I already told. Weighted average methods, unweighted average methods. Once again, weighted average is classified in different way, unweighted also classified. So like the classification or methods, this question. And last one, define report writing, process, types. Define report writing, process of report writing, types of report writing, presentation of report writing, and structure and styles of report writing. Important topic, report writing, last chapter. Research, when you do the research, you will be concluding your research with the research report. So that is the last question, important. Out of these four, except the report writing, these three I have covered. Practicals you can expect here, index numbers, least square method and moving averages. These three also practicals covered in the research methodology playlist. Okay. So this is about the research methodology. Now research methodology, why they have included this subject, you know. In future, if you go for any kind of a project or otherwise research point of view, so it will be useful, and they wanted to inculcate the knowledge and interest of research methodology. That is the main purpose of including this subject. Okay. If you get interest, you'll go ahead. Nothing is so tough. Only the thing is you have to focus, you have to create the interest. That's all. Important questions, got it? Check out the playlist and also take out your textbooks. Theory questions, prepare it clearly, and practicals what you are going to get also I have given you. Just start your preparation slowly, one by one. Once if you prepare, practice more times. That will give you confidence. Easily you can write it in the exam. By the way, after writing the exam, let me know how many questions you got it in the exam and how did you write the exam. If you get the result also, please do share with me. All the important questions and playlist also don't forget to share with your friends, because everything is free of cost. Use it and get good marks. Stay blessed and have a bright career, my dear students. See you in the next video. Good luck.